Okay, day 4. Just got up out of bed like 10 minutes ago, and we still haven't found my glasses. We didn't find them yesterday. Well, we're hoping we'll find them today, or at least get me a close pair at Costco. But until then, I'm just gonna have to squint real hard. It's a good thing I'm nearsighted, though. We'll have to go. Never mind. I'm just gonna go eat breakfast with my family. They're already at the restaurant. That restaurant right there. Yeah. I will see you in a sec. Still so much to eat here. I think I'll have the stuffed French toast. Yeah, what is that? What size does it come with? I'll have bacon. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have the bacon. Yeah. I tasted this last time when my mom had it. It's gonna be pretty good. Oh, here it is. This is my stuffed French toast with bacon. Yep, stuffed. It's really good. I already know that because I tried it yesterday. Well, I just finished eating breakfast and took my morning dump. And yeah, I'm headed back to the hotel right now. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for my parents and my grandparents and uncle to wake up. I'm gonna be working on my videos from yesterday's and the previous day's vlog and put them into iMovie or something like that. Yeah. See you in a sec. Well, my parents just went shopping, and so did the rest of my family. Me and my grandpa stayed at the hotel. And where did you guys get back from?
Sounds good.
Where did you guys get back from?
We got back from Walmart of Mexico. And el Galería de Vallarta. Muy bien. Muy especialmente.
So you went to Costco as well?
We did not make it to Costco.
Yeah, we'll go to Costco if your dad
de
gives us
Mexico.
a snack.
Costco is next.
That's all I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm guessing I'm gonna come with you guys?
I would think you could if you like.
Yeah,
Do you
because
speak the Mexicano? Espanol?
no, but I have a translator on my phone, but I can't receive a text.
Muy bien.
Yeah.
Muy
She's
bien.
been sleeping a lot since she's been here.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna go to Costco next. See ya. Well, my family my family got back from Walmart. I went to go eat some lunch with my family in the restaurant by my hotel and watched a documentary about Stephen Hawking with my grandpa. And when my dad wakes up and my sister finishes watching a movie and my parents and grandparents are finished with everything they're doing, I'm going to go to Costco with them. Hopefully we're going to get me a new pair of specs. So hopefully I'll get a new pair of spectacles. And yeah, I will see you at Costco. Alright guys, we're finally at Costco. Just gonna go in and get a few things. And also get some new batteries for my flash. Probably gonna get rechargeable ones, but anyway, that's not the point. The point is we're gonna get a few stuff. Mom, I think that's the exit. Yeah. 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 Just gonna check if my Costco card is valid, and then we're gonna go in and buy stuff. Yep. I'll show you what we buy. See you in a sec. We've got a lot of stuff in our cart. I keep forgetting to film what we pick up. So we got a lot of stuff. If you can't already tell. Yeah. We got some snorkeling gear right there. And yeah. Oh, you guys found salt? Let me see that. So that's what the salt looks like here.
I'm not allowing it.
Yeah, you're definitely not going to sleep anymore.
Dude, she's turning, what is it?
Okay, Parker, I'm hibernating.
Hibernating, really? Anyway, I'm sure we have everything we need. Do we have everything we need? Hey guys, do we have everything we need?
I think so, except for whipped cream, but we'll get that later.
Yeah, everything except for whipped cream, but we need that. We're going to get that later because we can't find it here in this Costco.
You can leave them.
Yeah.
Look at your Mexican
See ya in the next shot. Wow. The Mexicans do a really good job of packing things tight. Everything was like way up when we put it in the cart, but they put it in the cart right nicely. We don't even have to have two carts like we normally do. See you in the next shot.
Can I help you? Oh,
Well, I'm back at the hotel after coming to Costco. We got pretty much everything we needed. I hope the snorkeling gear that we got fits me as well. We definitely got some that fit Izzy. I didn't get to try mine on though. Just gonna sit here for a while playing Ocarina of Time on my 3DS. And yeah.
We're headed downtown soon.
Yeah, we're headed downtown soon. I'll see you there. Well, I'm going to go somewhere with my family tonight. A few of my family members, my mom, dad, and uncle.
That's me.
Yep.
You heard me. Maybe you didn't see me, but I'm here.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Try not to flip them off.
Oh no, it was a him. It was a
All right.
no flipping off.
Yeah.
she flipped off?
No, I'm filming.
Oh, I know how to do that. Come on.
No thanks.
The ring finger?
Yeah.
No, it's like this.
Yeah. I'm pointing it at my face right now. Yeah, I'm just going somewhere. Where are we going, guys?
Oh, yeah, I didn't bring my purse.
No. It's like I'm treating you guys.
No.
Looks like my mom forgot her purse.
I saw any pesos or anything.
I got pesos.
You got
pesos.
You have your
Yeah.
card?
Oh, my uncle has pesos.
And I have pesos.
Yeah.
You want pesos?
Yeah.
You want the pesos?
No, I just don't have
Yeah.
any money at all. So.
Don't get lost.
Yeah. Hopefully we have enough money to get through this. Yeah. I'll see you in a sec in the next shot. Well, we're at the restaurant now. I'm told it's a French restaurant.
Do this first and then go to the restroom to wash hands, or do you want
Either or.
I'm gonna. There's hand sanitizer.
It's
Alright, I'm
yeah, it's a pretty good restaurant and best.
Appreciate it. Thank you
It's
guys.
right next to the beach.
But I'm gonna hit the restroom.
Yeah.
Because I have other business.
Yeah. I'll see you in a sec when I eat my food. Check this out. There's a boat out there. Right there. And it's doing fireworks. Ooh. Pretty. the? Oh. Oh. What are they doing over there? What the? Oh, they're sailing away. Oh, they're sailing away. Oh well. Looks like that was a boat back there. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see me. Yeah, that was a boat that was doing fireworks. Yeah, I'm gonna get my food in a sec. Yeah. See you in a sec. This is what I'm eating. It's like a barbecue fish or chicken, I'm not sure.
And they have you running like a rat.
Looks pretty good though. I'll tell you what it's like in the next shot. See ya. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but me and my group just came across a rave party. That's where it is right now. You might be able to hear me when I go a little farther away. I'll see you in the next shot.